Hi guys, welcome to our channel Side Skills. Guys, in this video we are going to create one small project and we will do practice of all that CSS files which we have created in the last videos, and we will use all properties which we have learned in the last videos. So guys, in this video I'm giving you an idea how we can start create a website and how we can design a small menu and header, logo and other sections. So yeah, let's start and create one small project.
So guys, right now we are on our desktop, so we have to create one folder here. So for that, just right click, new folder, and give it any name. You can give your own name, whatever you want. So I have created one folder on my desktop, so let's open our editor. You can open your editor which you have installed in your system. So now guys, we have to open our folder which we have created right now on our desktop. So go to file, open folder, and just go to desktop because it's on desktop and find your folder name. So this is your folder name which we have created right now. Select it and select folder. Yeah, we have selected our folder. Now everything will be saved in same folder. Okay, so now guys, we need two files, one for HTML, one for CSS. So for that, go to file, new, and just save it by the name project.html. You can give your own name instead of project.project, but keep in mind the extension should be .html, and save it. Now guys, we need one more file for CSS. Same, go file, new, and save it by the name projects.css. You can give your own name instead of projects, but keep in mind the extension should be .css. Now save. Now guys, we have two files, one for HTML, one for CSS. So go to HTML files and let's start creating structure. So HTML and open close, and again open head and close. Inside head we have to open title and give the title between it sag skills. You can give your own titles, whatever you want. So I am giving my skills. Okay, so now we have created a structure. Now we need one more tag. It's called body. About all tags, I have already uploaded videos. If you don't know how to write these tags, you can go and watch that video on our channel. So now, I have created a normal this structure. So now guys, we have to link this file CSS into HTML file. Without that, we cannot apply any design on our HTML structure. So for that, we have to link this file CSS file into HTML file. So go to head and open bracket, type link and href, and see the editor already found your project.css file because it's in the same folder. If you are working on the same folder for everything, so editor will find automatically. I'm talking about this brackets editor. I don't know which are you using, so it depends on you. You can give proper path. So okay, now relation is style sheet, and type is text css. Yeah, great. So now guys, we have linked our this file into HTML file. Okay, CSS file we have linked. Now let's start in the body sections. First of all, we have to create one div class. We have to give name of this class container. Container means it will contain our all material which we are going to create here in the body section. So this is our main container, this is our main div. So everything will be create by in this container. So we will create everything in this container. Okay, this is our main container. You can see it's a wrapper or something container, you can say whatever you want. So inside this container we are going to create one class again and giving name header, and let's design this header. Select it, copy, go to CSS file, put dot because it is a class, and then open bracket. So now give width 100% and height 100 pixels, and background color dim gray. You can give your own color which you want. So Control S, go to browser. I'm clicking here. As you can see, it's a live icon for live preview. it's brackets giving me this option. I don't know in your editor is giving or not. If you are not giving, so just go to browser and put your and type your folder path. There will be open in browser. Okay, so now it's giving me this option. I'm clicking here. Sorry, I have to be in HTML file first, so I am now open HTML file. Go click on it. So yeah, this is our header ready is here. As you can see in the right side, left side, there is a space coming. We don't want this space, and this space why it's coming, because all browser takes automatic browsers, all browsers like Mozilla, Firefox, or Chrome, all browser takes automatic padding and margin. So to remove that, we have to do some CSS in project source file. So for that, go to CSS file and write here body, and inside body tell to body that we don't want any margin padding, so margin should be 0, body and padding should be 0, so it will remove all the automatic margin coming which is coming by default. So as you can see in the right side left side there is no space. So guys, now we have to create our logo section and the menu section. So inside header I am creating one div and I am giving the ID, and I am giving the logo div. So now copy it, ID, name, and go to CSS file and then put hash here because it's ID. So now design this width, so width should be 200 pixels and the height should be 100 pixels, and background color should be crimson. You can give your own color which you like. So Control S, go to browser. Yeah, it's good. Now this part of our logo, this div, we will put here logo, our company logo, and right now I don't have any logo for me, so I'm just writing here some text only normally. So instead of logo I'm giving you one heading here, h2, and I'm giving heading sag skills. Okay, now go to browser and see now I have written one heading here. So as you can see it's on the top side, but I want in the center here, and I want to change color of my heading of my logo. So for that I have to go project source file, then right here inside this div whatever the content is written, the color should be white. Okay, so now go to then you can see the color is white. Now guys, we have to this sag skills logo in the center, it's going on the top. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we write here, we will target this h2. Okay, so go to CSS file and h2 and give it a line height. There is a one rule of line height, it works according to parents div. Okay, and parents div what, like this container is the parent of header, and header is the parent of log div, and log div is the parent of h2. So these all are divs is the child of container div. Okay, it's work like this. So if I am giving a line height this h2, so I have to give line height same which I have given in the logo div. So it's work according to logo div. So go for that, go this and line height, give it height same 100 pixel because this parents div is the same 100 pixels, and go to browser and you can see it's in center, but I have to give some margin in the left side so that it will be in the center. So margin left 5 pixels. Yeah, it's look nice, or you can give more, you can give 8 pixels. Yeah, it's look nice now. So now guys, we have to create our menu in the right side or in the header section. So for that go to HTML, and then after this div, okay, this is the div for logo, and after logo we have to create menu. So for that UL, inside UL we have to write li and then write home, and just for saving time Control C and Control V. Yeah, and change this text. I am writing here countries, and here product, and here services, and here finally contact. Okay, so I have created this li. Go to browser, see. Yeah, you can see we have our list here, but we don't want list here in the below of header. We want list here middle of the header and on the top and in the sequence like horizontally. So for that, what we have to do, go to project.css file and just target your ul. Which ul? This one, ul and li. Inside ul there is a li. Okay, so we have to target that. So target them, project.css, you come here, write here ul and open, it close. Then I will come again later here. First let me create another one, ul and li. ul inside ul there is a li, so should be float left and margin left. Sorry, I will tell you later. So float left, I did only float left right now. So go to browser and check it. As you can see, it's in horizontal line, see, not coming vertically. Okay, so as you can see, but there is no space between all words, it all are attaching to each other. So to remove this problem, we have to give margin left 30 pixels and Control S, go to browser. As you can see, there is a margin between all. So now we have to remove this dot. We don't want dots. So for that, go to ul and not ul, go to li and this style none. So the dot will have been removed. As you can see, all dot have been removed. But guys, we want this inside this header, not below. So for that, float it. Sorry, not this. First of all, we have to float everything. Like a header should be float left, and the log div should be float left, and the ulli also is done. Control S, go to browser and see. Yeah guys, you can see now our menus inside our header section, but there is a no margin and padding, something is not looking good. So we have to remove in the right side and then the center of header. So for that, ul margin top 40 pixels and float right. So guys, it will come on the right side. You can see I have given margin also, but as you can see, I have to give margin the right side because content is going to touch last screen. So for that, give margin right 30 pixels, margin right 30 pixels. So Control S, go to browser. You can see now there is space. So guys, as you can see, CSS is coming down, so we have to remove some line height from it. So line height, give here 60 or 70. Control S, here H2. Okay, H2 means this one heading. So now as you can see, it's in the center, or you can remove more. So line height 60. Yeah, great. So now it's looking well. So guys, you can make your menu more stylish, and you can give some border or background, something. So for that, so we have to go CSS. Now CSS files, inside this you will give it border radius 4 pixels. Okay, and let's see it. Yeah, you can see it's not, and border radius and y width should be 100 pixels and height should be 30 pixel. Control S. Yeah, it's nice, it's looking very nice now. So now give box shadow 1 pixel, 1 pixels white. So now go to browser, Control S. Yeah, as you can see, but there is no the text is not in the center. So for that, text align center. text align center. So go to, as you can see, there is a center, but you can see it's not in the center of the UL. So for that we have to give line height little. Is a line height, yeah, UL and line height. Yeah, here line height should be 30 pixels. Okay, Control S. Yeah, you can see it's in center. You can change the color of all the text. So for that, go to CSS files here, and whatever the color inside this should be white. Control S. Yeah, you can see. You can change the font style also. Either go to CSS file, go to font family. I'm giving Verdana. You can give your own, whatever you like. So Verdana, go to file and see. Now our menu looks like nice. Okay guys, so let's create another section here beside this, sorry, below the header. So for that, go to HTML files, and then here give class row1, row1. Okay guys, and inside this give one heading and say welcome to our project. Okay guys, sorry, project. So this is our heading. So let's style this row1, copy it, and go CSS file and come here and put dot and paste your name, this class name, and let's give width 100%, guys, so that it will be full screen, and height should be 100 pixels, and the background color should be gray. You can give your own color what you like. So Control S. Yeah, it's nice looking now, and float left so that it will appear very well. Float left. Okay guys, as you can see, we have another row for our heading. So you can change the name of heading. So inside this row, whatever return should be color white. Okay, yeah, you can see, and the font family, whatever content written in this row, the font family should be Verdana. You can give your own font family which you like. Yeah, it's nice. So make it center here, it will look better. So for that, text align center, text align center. Yeah, great. Now it's looking well. Now guys, we have to create another rows for our pictures and some contents. So for that, what we have to do, we have to go HTML file again. Then after this row, this is our row. After this row, we have to create one more row, class row2, and close it. And just guys, inside this row we have to create another div and give it id div image1 and close it. Okay, now let's design this, or you can copy paste, because we need 3 div, one here, one here, one here, one here. Okay, or 4. Control C and then Control V and change the name of all. It's a 1, or and it's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4. So now let's design this. Go to CSS file and just copy first one before, and take this name to the CSS file, copy, and then push hash and paste your d1. So okay, so now here we need width 300 pixels and height should be 400 pixels, and the background, no background, we take only border here, border 2 pixels solid gray, and float left. Okay guys, so now let's see. Yeah, great, we have over one div here. We will put image here. So now copy it and then paste here, and then again paste here and change the name. It's 2, it's 3, and then one more time paste it because we have 4 div, so it's a 4. Control S, you can see now we have 4 columns. So guys, just give some margin in this one, the first one. So margin left 50 pixels. Control S. Yeah, not 50, we have to give like 30 or something. Yeah, it's nice looking now. So guys, we have 4 columns right now, so we will put first in the image. So first one, background. So first of all, we have to be image in our folder. So right now we don't have any image in our folder, so for that go to browser, go to desktop, and copy any one picture. I am copying this picture and paste in our folder here, and paste it. Now I have this image here, and one more file I have these pictures, and copy it and go to project folder and paste it. Now I have 2 pictures in my folder. So guys, now go to editors and the background image right here, background image, and then find URL and come down. URL means path, and give it to k. The name of my image is k.jpeg and semicolon. Control S, go to browser. You can see in this div I have given this image. So another I want to write some content in next div. So for that I have to come HTML file, and this file we have given image. In this div we have given image, but in this div we want to give some text. So here I will write some heading H6, our products and services, and then I am giving one paragraph here. So for paragraph you can go browsers and just write lorem ipsum dummy text. You can go this site, then copy any content here. I'm copying this, copy, then go and paste in your paragraph. Control S, go here and check your, yeah, it's good. As you can see, this is our content in our next div. So guys, in this video only for this, so next video we will complete this project. It's going too much long. It's right now I think it's a 25 minutes video, so I don't want to be tired and you become like little bored or some tiredness. So just practice all this and take an idea from this video, and in the next video we will complete this project and we will see more things how we. So till there, thank you, bye bye, and subscribe our channel if you like this video, and goodbye.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and like, and if you want more updates from our channel, so subscribe our channel. Thank you.